Hi guys, welcome back. This is my transport mod for the Axis powers. Left, Germany. Middle, Italy. Right, Japan. You may notice if you play Global 40 that the Germany and Japan are not out of box. The Germany is from Historical Board Gaming. It is a historical board gaming piece, the KT1. And the Japan one is an Axis and Allies piece, but it is from the 1941 game. And as you know, the ones that came with the 40 both kind of suck. So, and what mod are we talking about? Well, as you can see, the rigging is on all of the ships. It was a labor of love. Because for me, these are not just game pieces, they are miniatures, and this is my hobby. So I have a little bit of patience for this kind of stuff. But unless you're insanely crazy like me, don't recommend it. But it is, now that it is finally done, I'm happy with it. I will have another video for the Allied ships, but those are still underway. Just basically, it was just thread. I mean, it was a heavy duty thread. But like I said, it was a labor of love. Alright guys, well that's it. Take care. I'm going to try to keep these videos short and sweet because I seem to notice that people seem to tune in for the whole thing better than if they're longer. Okay guys, that's it. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.